Happy morning to all my dear students. Today let us see Unit 2 Poem A Tragic Story Book Back Exercise. Now let us see the meanings. Sage, wise man. Yore, long ago. Pigtail, a plaited lock of hair worn singly at the back. Mused, thought over, curious, eager to learn more. Mystery, puzzle, stout, thick in structure. Answer the following. What made the sage upset? What made the sage upset? The sage was upset as his pigtail hung behind him. The second question. Why did the sage spin all day? The sage spinned continuously all day to change the position of his pigtail. The sage spinned continuously all day to change the position of his pigtail. Third question. What solution did he arrive at for the mystery that he found? He thought that if turned him round, he can change the position of his tail. If he turn around, he can change the position of his tail. Fourth one, was he finally successful in changing his pigtail position? Support our answer with a line from the poem. No, he was not successful in changing his pigtail's position. The line, still faithful to his back, the pigtail hang behind him, supports this answer. Next question. Did something dreadful happen? How would you describe the events in the poem, comedy or tragedy? Is the poem was comedy or the tragedy? Did something dreadful happen? Would you describe the events in the poem, comedy or tragedy? No, nothing dreadful happened. The events in the poem are humorous. The logical behavior of the sage creates humor throughout the poem. No, nothing dreadful happened. Read the poem lines and answer the questions given below. But wondered much and sorrowed more, because it hung behind him. A. What was he wondering about? What was he wondering about? Wonder, no? Wonder at the things. He was wondering about the pigtail. He was wondering about why his pigtail is behind him and how to change its position. The second question. What does the word it refers to here? What does the word it refer to here? It refers to the pigtail. Second one. And though his efforts never slack, and though he twist and dwell and tack, alas, still faithful to his back, the pigtail hangs behind him. A. Pick out the rhyming words from the above lines and give the rhyme scheme for the same. You would give the rhyme scheme. The rhyming words are slack, tack and back. Rhyming schemes for this stanza is A and B. Second question. B. Did he quit his trying? How can you say? No, he did not quit his trying. The lines through though his efforts never slack and though he twist and dwell and back tack indicate that he kept on trying. The third one. He mused upon his curious case. What is the figure of speech is used in this line? What is the figure of speech is used in this line? The figure of speech used here is hyperbole, as it exaggerates a simple foolish thing of changing the position of his pigtail to be curious case. Irony is the figure of speech in which words are used in such a way that their intended meaning is different from the actual meaning. It may also be a situation that ends up in quite a different way than what is generally anticipated. In simple words, it is a difference between appearance and reality. Can this poem be called an ironic poem? Justify your answer. Yes, this poem is an ironic poem because the word sage is used in an ironic sense or to refer to a person who is dull-witted. It insists on how learned men lack practical common sense. As we all know that a sage is a wise person, how he did not use his common sense. As he is a learned person, he did not use his common sense. Fill in the table with the appropriate poem lines. A few lines may be used more than one time. Pick the line or lines that suggest the sage lacked practical common sense. Example, and so he changed the pigtails place. Second one, make the poem humorous. Make the poem humorous. Third one we have, show the clowning moments of the sage. Next one we have, that are actually funny but have a serious tone. Make the poem humorous because it hung behind him, not dangling there behind him. Hung steadily behind him. The pigtail hangs behind him. The next one, show the clowning moments of the sage. He turned him round, then round and out and in. All day the puzzled sage did spin, and night and left, right and left, and round about, and up and down, and in and out he turned. Next, that are actually funny but have a serious tone. That are actually funny but have a serious tone. In vain it mattered not a pin, alas, still faithful to his back, the pigtail hangs behind him. See, in vain it mattered not a pin, alas, still faithful to his back, the pigtail hangs behind him. The summary of this poem is given, but there are some words missing. Fill in the blanks with the help of the box given below. Faithfully, change, pigtail, round, sage, down, slack, out, hung, place, behind, vain, and face we have. So we have to fill in the blank. The paragraph is given. Once upon a time, there lived a sage. He had a handsome pigtail. He was worried and pondered over his pigtail's place. He wanted to change its place. He wanted it hanging at his face. He didn't like it hanging there behind him. So he turned right and left and round about, up and down and in and out, but it still hung behind him. However, he tried, his efforts were in vain, but he didn't slack in his efforts. Nevertheless, his pigtail hung faithfully behind him. Now, let us see the poem. There lived a sage in days of yore, and he a handsome pigtail wore, but wondered much and sorrowed more because it hung behind him. He mused upon his curious case, and so he changed the pigtail's place, and have it hanging at his face, not dangling there behind him. He mused, says he, the mystery I have found, says he, the mystery I found. I'll turn me round. He turned him round, but still it hung behind him. Then round and out and in, all day the puzzled sage did spin. In vain it mattered not a pin, the pigtail hung behind him. and right and left and round about and up and down and in and out he turned, but still the pigtail stout hung steadily behind him. And though his efforts never slack, and though he twist and twirl and tag, alas, still faithful to his back, the pigtail hangs behind him. William Makepeace Thackeray. Written by William Makepeace Thackeray. William Makepeace Thackeray was one of the great novelists of the English Victorian age.